Alright, these bicentennial quarters were produced in large quantities back in the day, and everyone started hoarding them, thinking that one day they would be worth a lot of money, and some of those people were right. Most people have no idea what to look for on their bicentennial quarter to see if it's worth money or not. This example that you see on the screen right now sold for $2,500. That's right, $2,500, and it sold on eBay not too long ago, and I'm going to show you what I think about the coin and what you need to be aware of if you're buying or selling coins and how to get the most money for your coin. So here is the thing. On eBay, you have to be very careful when buying or selling because there are some people out there that will try to take advantage of certain situations. There are these things called mint errors that will happen during the minting process that can increase the value of the coin. When I'm looking at this specific coin that sold for $2,500, I do not see anything specific that would trigger a reaction in me to say, wow, this is a valuable coin. To me, this is what I would consider to be normal circulation and a little bit of environmental damage. By that, I just mean nothing out of the ordinary, probably went out in people's pockets, might have sat at the bottom of a coin jar for quite some time. Who knows exactly? But it's a bit scary when I see coins like this sell for a lot of money online because I don't know exactly if this coin was actually sold and some victim bought it for $2,500 or the seller tried to manipulate the market to make it appear like this coin was worth more than it actually is. What you need to know is that if you're buying or selling your coins online, you need to be very careful because to me, this coin does not have any sort of error on it that would equate to it being worth $2,500. I won't spend too much time here, but same thing on this coin. It actually sold for the same amount of money, $2,500. Now, when you see pictures like this online, it's usually a sign that the person does not have a good quality listing on eBay. I would typically stay away from listings like this. It only had one bid on it, so I don't know if the seller got his friend to bid on it and then they canceled the listing. All you got to know is that if someone was to not know exactly what to look for on a coin, they could easily get scammed if they were seeing a coin like this sell for a lot of money, thinking that they should be buying them for $2,500 just like this one sold on eBay for. So when a lot of people see this coin, they may think that this is simply damage on the coin. There are people out there that will get two coins and a hammer and strike them together to try to replicate this sort of error. But that's not the case at all for this coin that sold for $28,200, and I'll tell you why right now. So this 1976 coin is actually a $1 bicentennial dollar that was overstruck on a 1976 bicentennial quarter that was graded by NGC in mid-state 64. So I could see how this error could occur because they are the same year but different denomination. By denomination, I mean one is a 25-cent coin and one is a $1 coin. Regardless of whether this happened on purpose or not is besides the fact, but if you have a bicentennial quarter, leave a comment below saying bicentennial, and just remember that if you find a bicentennial quarter, it has to have one or multiple things going on for it. It should be in a very high graded condition. There are times that high graded coins will bring a lot of money, and or it has to be an error coin just like this one that graded by NGC in mid-state 64 and sold for $28,200. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. Click on that video and I'll see you inside.